Hey, Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today we're gonna make Chipotle Coleslaw. We need 4 cups of red cabbage, 4 cups of green cabbage. You can either use 2 cups of kale or 2 cups of spinach chopped up. So I like to cut it in half. You don't need this core. You just start by cutting slices, and then I'll just start going along like this. Chipotle peppers in an adobo sauce. This will really give it a yummy kick.